Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Artdot on Amazon. I did get this as a product review, so thank you to Artdot for letting me do this review. So this is a crazy 445 color diamond painting drill set. So it says here there's 445,000 pieces, and I got square drills. Now this is a really nice picture of a square drill. So yeah, oh my goodness, there's so many drills. Okay, so I guess they put in, is this the last stuff? 5200, 3866, yeah, that's the last diamond painting colors. So this is supposed to be 445 different DMC colors, and there should be 1,000 drills in each of these containers. For some reason, I thought 1,000 would be a lot more, but now that I think about it, I'm like, 1,000 it's only like 5 of those little teeny tiny 200 packs. So yeah, the drills I think look okay, you know, but I can't tell until you start drilling with them, right? But yeah, I'm like, oh my goodness, look at this. This is crazy. How much? Oh my gosh, 445 colors is. Woo! Look at this. Wow, that's so much. Like, here, I have to put you up higher so you can see all this insanity. I'm like, wow. Oh my goodness. You don't realize how much 445 different colors is until you see it lined up like this. I'm trying to see if I could find 150. I think that's the first. No, these is 3000. This is 701. So I bet 150 is somewhere in here maybe. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Okay, I think I'm just overwhelmed by how many different colors there are. Oh, here's 209. Okay, so this might be the first strip right here. No, am I wrong? No. Oh, but look at how pretty this is. Like, just seeing the sequential DMCs, like this gradient of purple, is just really, really pretty. Okay, nope, that's not the first one. But yeah, I'm actually kind of thinking of like, how am I going? So I'm trying to think, how am I going to put this away? Like, am I going to put this in my spare drills? Oh, here's 168. So maybe this is the first strip. Oh yeah, so here's 150. And at least they're in order of DMC, and they're in these big strips, because can you imagine if these were just like individual bags? 445 individual bags. I think I might go crazy. But yeah, this is really pretty for some reason. Like when you see sequential DMCs where they're like varying shades usually of the same thing, this is really, really pretty. Right now I'm just kind of like, wow, look at all of this. As much as I like kitting up, okay, so 445. So let's say the average diamond painting has 40 colors just for ease. This would be like 11 diamond painting worth of drills. Wow, this is so many drills. So if I were to put this away, would that be a kitting up or would that be a kitting down? Because I'm going to put it in my leftover drills. So I'm technically kitting it down, but I'm also opening these packets for the first time, so that's a kitting up, right? So yeah, there's so many drills. Let's just randomly... Ooh, look at this. This, for some reason, I don't know why, when I saw this with the varying shades of brown, was really nice. Oh, and look at like this, like varying shades of... Oh, this is awesome. This one, the varying shades of green. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is really pretty. Okay, so for some reason, I thought that there would be some sort of inventory. Like there was like a cult, like on Amazon, they did say it was 445 colors, but one of the pictures they had was like this. It looked like just those, like they were like number one has 150, and then it had like a picture of a drill on it. So I thought there would be some sort of I don't know, like piece of paper that I could stick drills on it, just based off of the one picture they have on their site. But yeah, this doesn't look like it. It just looks like it's all the drills. There's just so much drills. I think I'm kind of, like, as much as I like kitting up, this just seems very overwhelming, this large amount. So, in case you want to know, this right now, when I'm looking at it on Amazon, is $53.99. It looks like there is a 5% off promotional code on Amazon right now. Artdot did give me a 5% coupon code also in case the promotional code isn't on Amazon. They did tell me the coupon code will end on April 25. So, well, at least the coupon code they gave me will end on April 25, but I'll put in the coupon code in the description in case you want to buy this. And yeah, now I'm still pondering how I'm going to put this away. I've been wanting to buy something like this for a long time. I just never did because I was just picturing how hard it would be to put it away. But yeah, I'm like, it's really pretty in these strips. I kind of just want to keep it like that, and then put it on my wall, like stick this on something backwards and then just put it on the wall, because I think that looks really pretty. I don't know why I'm okay. So I do have a color chart that I made myself. So what I'm thinking is, if there's interest, I might kit this down or kit it up, whichever. I don't even know what to call it, because yeah, put it into my leftover drills while also sticking them onto my color chart that I made. Currently, I've just been sticking my drills on as I go along, and I only made this recently, so this is only the stuff I have more recently done. So I did make when I made this, okay, so my 820 is complete, so I'll show you that. So when I made this, I made like 6 columns, because I don't know what my brain was thinking. It was like, when I made it, I was like, I want to put in some rounds, I want to put some squares, I want the round ABs, the square ABs, and then I figured out what my 5th one would be rhinestones. But I still have a 6 column, so what I think I'm going to do is, in my 6th column, I'm actually going to put drills from this Artdot pack, so I will have a 6 column that has all the colors in from just one diamond painting store. So at least that way there is just, because if you've noticed, there are many different shades sometimes for the same DMC, depending on where you get it. So I think if I complete this from just one store, I'll get more of a, even distribution of the color. I won't end up having like 2 that look exactly the same, because I got it from 2 different vendors, because, they said this one was DMC blah, 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 and then this other one said that same exact shade is DMC blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I think I might fill this up. I'm gonna maybe try to see if I'll make that video, like, see if I'll make like a video of me filling this out and putting away with however much I'm able to put away in a decent amount of time, and probably make it a video series if there's interest after the first video. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to record this just when I'm putting this away, so that I'll have motivation to put it away. Because yeah, I'm looking at this, I'm like, this is so many drills. but yeah, there is an option for you to buy 1,000 pieces for 445 different colors. I've noticed on AliExpress a lot of them say there's 447, so I'm not sure what two are not included in here, but 445 colors is a lot already. So, and hey, you know, now that I think about it, I could use a lot of these for my heaven and earth designs, especially the ones that I need way more of, but we'll see. But yeah, here is some crazy massive pack of 445 different diamond painting drills. And if you want to buy one, it's on Amazon. I'll link everything below. Thank you again to Artdot for sending me this for a product review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!